I've been hiding behind a name for years. Hey YouTube, so this video is going to be something different. My username has changed from UKCurlyGirl to OSo.Shannon, and the reason behind this is I no longer want to hide behind this name, this persona. As you can see, and you've probably seen in my latest videos, I don't even talk about hair anymore. My hair is usually up in a bun like this. I am focused on my business, growing my business OSo.Curly, on my faith journey, and I just feel like it's time for me to really just get out of the shyness, out of the shrinking, and just be my authentic self. I feel like I have been playing a kind of role, and I don't want to do that anymore. I feel like God is calling me to greater things, and that's going to take a big leap and boldness. In this new chapter of my channel and of my life, I'm going to be sharing more authentically what is happening behind the scenes, growing OSo.Curly, growing a brand from scratch, and along with short, small testimonies that have been happening along the way and will continue to happen as I'm on my faith journey. And I want to encourage you, if you have been hiding behind some kind of names, some kind of username, and you feel like God's calling you, or you feel called to actually show up as yourself online, now is the time. This came to me when I was fasting before the new year. God was basically telling me to change how I show up online and be my authentic self. I feel like this may be something that is happening within the community a lot. Times are changing and people want more relatable content, so why not just share my full true self? I have always been known as the quiet one, as the shy one, and filming content on YouTube and online has been like a good outlet for me. But somewhere along the line, I feel like I kind of lost my real personality and sharing who I actually am, and was just relying on scripts, sticking to one bucket. Whereas I can come online and share a lot more about myself and let you in a bit more without letting you in too much, obviously not into my personal life, but I can be more of myself. And I feel like see, even all of these little things, why do I cut them out? Like, no, it takes me a while to think about what I want to say, and that is just literally who I am. As I walk into this new stage and this new journey on this channel, I realize that I probably will lose a lot of people along the way. But if you are watching this and you did enjoy business kind of content, that is continuing, but it's going to be more like real, raw, me telling you what's happening, telling you advice about business as I go along. And then alongside that, I will be posting more vlogs that are business based. So it will be like a day in the life of a business owner, what's happening as I launch, and that kind of stuff. And then I think eventually I will also share more of my testimonies here too. So I hope you will join me on this journey, and if you don't, that's totally fine. I understand, but it is just a calling for me right now to show up as I am, and that's pretty much it. I thank UKCurlyGirl for bringing me this far. We're 12 years in and it has been an amazing journey. I've managed to travel. I have managed to work with amazing mainstream hair care brands. I launched my business OSo.Curly, which has led me down a whole other route on YouTube, which again has led me to work with amazing brands that I will continue to talk about as well on this new journey. But yeah, I just want to show up more as myself. I'm not a typical business owner. I didn't come from a business background. I don't come from money. Like, I started from scratch. I don't have no support, no secret backing, no rich husband, no rich boyfriend, no rich sugar daddy in the background that you can't see. Like, this is literally all just me from scratch. So yeah, I'm going to share with you more of how that journey is and how it is being me, managing chronic health as well, still trying to show up online. So you won't see as many videos from me due to me just trying to heal from these situations, but I will still be posting. So expect maybe 2 videos a month from me on my channel, but they'll be good quality videos instead of the same kind of scripted sit down talking videos. I want to kind of switch things up. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to this channel, or if you've just been watching me regularly, which a lot of people have been watching me a lot, but they're still not subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe. Let me know down below if you've done it before, if you have any tips, or you are on the journey as well. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.